Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0035 indicates an issue with the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit. This trouble code points specifically to a high voltage condition in the circuit associated with the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve, a crucial component in regulating turbocharger operation and enhancing engine performance. The solenoid valve is typically located near the turbocharger assembly and is integral to managing the flow of exhaust gases. A faulty solenoid can lead to performance issues such as excessive turbo lag or inefficient engine operation. Diagnosing this DTC effectively requires the use of Honda's Diagnostic System, HDS, allowing technicians to perform function tests on the valve while monitoring the system's status. Understanding the symptoms and fixing this issue promptly is essential to maintain the engine's performance and longevity. DTC P0035 pertains specifically to the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve experiencing a high voltage condition in its circuit. This solenoid valve plays a pivotal role in controlling the exhaust flow to the turbocharger, thus enabling proper engine performance and efficiency. Its location is usually close to the turbocharger assembly, making it accessible for testing and inspection. When the circuit exhibits high voltage, it could lead to erratic behavior of the turbocharger, impacting vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. This code can be confirmed through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a tool designed for precise fault detection within Honda vehicles. Understanding the specifics of this DTC is critical for accurately diagnosing underlying issues. The potential causes of the DTC P0035 include several critical factors. A damaged turbocharger bypass control solenoid itself could lead to high voltage readings and malfunction. Connections are crucial. Loose or corroded terminals may interrupt the electrical flow, resulting in erroneous voltage readings that trigger the DTC. The powertrain control module PCM is another common source of issues. If it malfunctions, it may not properly regulate the solenoid, leading to high voltage conditions. Additionally, environmental factors or previous repairs may have introduced new vulnerabilities that could affect performance. Identifying these causes helps technicians address the exact problem rather than only treating the symptoms. When DTC P0035 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest regarding vehicle operation. One of the most prominent symptoms is a noticeable decline in engine performance, particularly in response times and acceleration. Drivers may also experience turbo lag, where the turbocharger fails to spool effectively, leading to sluggish acceleration. Another common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, indicative of a broader issue that warrants immediate attention. These symptoms can significantly affect the driving experience, emphasizing the importance of prompt diagnosis. Observing these signs can facilitate quicker detection of problems related to the turbocharger system, ensuring timely repairs and better vehicle functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0035 is to verify that the problem indeed exists. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the vehicle systems without starting the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, clear any DTCs present and move the vehicle to the off lock mode. After a brief moment, return to the on position and navigate to the TC Bypass Control Solve Test in the HDS Function Test menu. Monitor the onboard diagnostics OBD status for DTC P0035. If the HDS indicates a failed status, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If it says passed, intermittent issues may be present, permitting general checks for poor connections and loose terminals. Any readings of not completed should prompt a revisit to Step 1. The second step focuses on checking the wires related to the bypass control solenoid. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. Use the HDS to jump the SCS line, which allows for the testing of various components. Following that, disconnect the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valves 2P connector and the PCM connector E, typically identified as an 80P connector. You then check for continuity between designated test points, specifically the female terminals of the solenoid connector and the PCM connector's pin that corresponds to the turbocharger bypass control. This process ensures that the wire connections between the PCM and solenoid are intact. Should continuity check out, further investigation of the PCM itself may be necessary. If no continuity is detected, repairs must be made to the ABV, actuator bypass valve wire, identifying and fixing any breaks between the two components. After completing repairs pertaining to DTC P0035, it's crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure the functionality is restored. This involves rerunning the same procedures previously used to verify the original issue, ensuring that all connections are now secure and that any new components have been properly integrated. Utilize the HDS again to perform a DTC check. Confirm that no related codes appear and that the system handles operations as expected. Remember, it's important to drive the vehicle under conditions similar to those when the DTC first triggered, allowing an accurate assessment of any residual issues. Only after confirming that DTC P0035 is no longer present should the task be considered fully complete. This verification helps guarantee that repairs were successful, enhancing both operational integrity and user satisfaction. To avoid future occurrences of DTC P0035, implementing preventive maintenance is essential. Begin with regular inspections of all connectors associated with the turbocharger bypass control solenoid. Ensure that they exhibit no signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections, as these can lead to intermittent or persistent issues. Additionally, regularly check the integrity of the wiring between the PCM and the solenoid to catch signs of wear and tear before they escalate into serious issues. A clean and well-maintained engine compartment can greatly reduce the likelihood of environmental factors contributing to electrical failures. Educating drivers on the importance of engine upkeep can also support the preventive maintenance process. By being proactive, you can help maintain optimal performance and minimize the risks of DTCs arising in the future. In summary, understanding DTC P0035 and its implications is vital for maintaining the Honda Accord's performance. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve plays a significant role, and its malfunction can lead to serious performance issues if not addressed timely. Properly following troubleshooting steps, from verifying the issue to checking wiring integrity, ensures that all aspects are thoroughly examined. By using the available tools, such as the HDS, technicians can accurately diagnose and remedy the issues presented by this DTC. Furthermore, preventive measures help in maintaining the overall health of the vehicle, reducing future malfunction risks. Staying informed and vigilant can foster a more reliable driving experience and extend the life of the vehicle's vital systems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.